welcome back to this week's Plan With Me. Before I get started, I want to say thank you so much to everyone who entered my giveaway last week. I had so much fun reading all of your comments. Oh my gosh, seeing some of your favorite gifts for Christmas was just hilarious. And you know, it just really put me in a good mood, especially bringing up all these great memories. So thank you so much. That was so awesome. The giveaway winners will be listed down below, so definitely check that out. There were 3 winners, so you had really good chances. So you can see here, I do have a pretty busy half of the week, and then it kind of dwindles out for the rest of the week. So I'm going to get started right away. All of these are on my removable little headers here. It's just nice to keep them intact and then I don't lose anything. So I pulled out a bunch of stickers. I definitely want to be using my November sampler. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I cannot wait to use these little hedgehog guys. I also pulled a few December kits because I think that the color is going to match okay. It's not as perfect as it is for December. This is actually an a la carte item, so it has the box checklist here and then some flags as well. This actually is not released yet. This will be out on Tuesday, and this is going to be part of the December kit. So I have a Christmas kit already, but I'm going to be doing a monthly kit as well just to match the colors for the Erin Condren. And then of course I pulled out my Golden Leaves set, which I think is going to go perfect with November. I did already use this kit before, so I'm not going to use all of the stickers again, but I will probably mingle some of those around. So, and then of course I have a ton of other stickers in the back here that I will be pulling from. Okay, so instead of putting the regular check flags that I usually put every week, I want to put the full box checklist because I think that's going to match much better. So let's get those down. Alright, perfect. I love the way that looks. I think the lighter color up top is actually really nice, especially since the green really matches more of December's colors than November's, but it doesn't bother me. Okay, so for the middle section, I'm going to put down my to-do headers. So I'm going to use these green ones. Again, this one matches more for December, but I think it's going to be perfect for November as well. And then for my full boxes, I'm going to use some of Crazy Confetti's boxes. These are just so pretty. It's like a textured wood, very nice, and I think it's going to go really well with this week's color scheme. Yeah, isn't that just so pretty? I just love this textured wood. It just looks so nice. So I'm going to finish that off and do the same thing for the rest of the week. Alright, I just love the look of that. I think it's just so pretty. Both these colors are going really well with each other. So before I tackle the bottom section here, I think I'm going to put down my workout stickers. I also want to use one of my borders from the Golden Leaves set. Last time I used the leaves, so I think I'm going to use the clouds this time, and I think that'll be a good choice, yeah. So I'm just going to put this down and cover up the words here. I know most people have the new Erin Condren, so the words aren't there, but you can still put it as a decorative border at the bottom. Oh, and I also did order my new Erin Condren. It hopefully will be coming soon, so stay tuned. I definitely will do an unboxing video of that if you guys want to see the new planner that I chose and then some other little goodies as well. So I'm just going to take this off and put down all of my workout stickers, the teal ones. I do plan on putting out more colors in the workout stickers. If you guys have a recommendation or you're looking for one in particular, let me know. I'm just going to put the workout sticker right at the bottom here. I'm going to line it up a little bit right below the line here. That way they're all even. You can see a little bit of the line sticking through, but that's not going to bother me as much as these stickers being pretty even here. Okay, so moving back to the middle section, I'm going to put down my weekend banner and then try and get all this stuff done. Okay, so I have a couple choices for my banner. My November kit matches exactly to the colors that it should be, but I'm using some of December's colors, so it looks like this is going to be a little off. So I'm going to use one of the golden leaves, I think. Yeah, I think that this one's going to match better with this grain as well. And I have the clouds down here. So yeah, let's use this guy. All right, so let's just put this guy right up top. Yeah, right up top. If you guys don't know already, my weekend is Monday and Tuesday. Since I am a server, I don't get Saturday and Sunday off, unfortunately. This week I do have Sunday off, but I think it looks so much better on Monday and Tuesday here. Yeah, that is so cute. Love it. Okay, so now it's time to try and tackle all this stuff. So I'm going to start at the bottom here. The first one here says orders. I have been writing this down on my checklist, but I feel like I want to highlight it just a little bit more. I am really good about sending out packages as soon as possible, but I definitely want to have a little sticker to remind me that that's the first thing that I want to do every day. So I have these stickers here that I made that says orders on it, and I suppose I'll go for the green. And actually, before I put the orders down, I want to put some small boxes. I have some of the cloud ones left from the golden leaf set, and it matches the bottom here, so I think that that will be perfect. All right, so Monday I have to pay my rent. I also have to pick up my parking permit. Our apartment complex is just getting permits, which is actually excellent because almost every night I cannot find a parking spot. So I'm just going to use a little house to signify that. Okay, so before I move on, I want to put down my headers for the night section. That way I can see how much space I have here. So I'm going to use the ones that say tidbits. Okay, and next is the laundry, so I'm going to take that off and put down my laundry sticker. I'm going to use one of my larger clothesline sticker, and I think I'm just going to put it, yeah, right here. That looks perfect. So the next thing, oh, before I forget, I need to put down my orders. So I think I'm gonna put it underneath the house here. Let's try and lift that up. Thank goodness my stickers are removable because I swear I am moving my stickers around all the time. So let's just line that guy up. Perfect! And I even have a little bit of room on the right here so I can write down how many orders for each day. So I definitely want to try and keep track of that. It's just fun to know. And I also have to meal prep on Monday. So I'm going to use one of my little event stickers here. This is going to be in the December kit. And this kit will be out tomorrow if you guys are looking for it. It's going to be 4 sticker sheets, and they're all going to be functional stickers that match the December colors. I also have my Plan With Me video, of course, on Monday. So I usually put down the larger YouTube sticker, but I have so much going on Monday that I need to have the space. So let's put that up. And then I have my Etsy that I keep track of. So on Mondays, Etsy deposits any money. So I'm going to put down one of my Etsy stickers, and let's see. Oh my gosh, it is like perfect. That's awesome. Oh, that's so great. So every Monday I've actually been weighing myself just to keep track of if I'm actually losing or gaining weight. So I'm going to use a little teardrop to put that right next to the weight here so I can write in the workout that I did and have enough room to put my weight there. That'll be perfect. And the last thing I have on Monday is a realty appointment at 3 p.m. So I'm going to use a little house sticker here and then just put it right here. That's perfect. So I actually rent right now, but I am looking to maybe buy a condo or a house. I'm not sure, so I am so excited about it. So let's just say realty at 3 p.m. Okay, Tuesday I need to budget, so I'm going to put down another little event sticker there. And I think I'll probably just put them all at the bottom across so that it's evened out. And to keep track of my budget, I'm going to use this cute little pig from Oh Hello Stationery. Alright, I also need to clean and vote. I definitely need to remember to do that. And what else? New releases. So let's just put these guys aside. I'm going to put down one of my half boxes here since I have so much going on. So I couldn't actually find any stickers that had like voting on it. So I'm just going to use this sticker that has a little light bulb on it and write down vote. And then right on top of it, I'm just going to use the same little sticker and then put clean here. And then I also have like a little vacuum. Where is it? Right here. And I'll put that right next to it. So Tuesday is going to be my big cleaning day. I am going to keep track of all of that stuff on the left-hand side, just like I did last week. It seemed to work really well, and I got most of the stuff done. And then Tuesday's the big new release day. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait till you guys see all the other stickers. So fun. Okay, so I just realized that I forgot orders. It's gonna bother me that they're not all at the same, so I'm just gonna move everything up and then maybe put the clean sticker up in the full box here. Okay, so I just finished off the rest of the week with the orders so I don't make that mistake again. So the only thing I have for Wednesday is work. So I'm going to use my work stickers here, and I think I'm going to actually put it up top and then leave these blank because I really don't know what I want to do for the rest of the week. So yeah, let's just put it right in the middle here. And to write down my time, I'm going to use these cute little teardrops that are in the November sampler. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. There is a bunch of white space, so I do think I want to cover that up. There's a few stickers left on the November sampler that I can use. So I have the little to do, and then also the to buy, and this also has the golden leaves print on it, so I think it'll go well. So let's just put that one on Friday here. Awesome. And then I'll put the to do on Sunday. And then to fill up these spaces, I'm just going to put down some half boxes and then maybe put some washi down below that. Okay, and the last thing I have to do is my sidebar. I do have one full box sticker left from Crazy Confetti, so I'm going to put that up in the left hand cover or corner and cover up the calendar here. Perfect. And then I'm just going to take my Give Thanks sticker and put that right in the middle of the box. Oh my gosh, this is coming out so much nicer than I could have imagined. So nice. Okay, and so to not bore you guys, I'm just going to do the same thing as last week and write down kitchen, dining room, living room, all the things that I need to clean in every one of those rooms. Okay, so I filled this all out. The only thing that I added was to the living room and bedroom, I put windows. Manda Phenom reminded me that that is probably something I need to clean as well. If you guys have any other ideas for cleaning, definitely let me know. I am awful at cleaning and I need to get better at it. So now to the fun part. At least I think this is the best part of the plan with me, is decorating. So I'm going to use, of course, the rest of the fun stickers on here, these cute little hedgehogs, and then I'm going to use a couple from the 4-Boy Chaos set. I'm not going to use all of them because I definitely want to do a plan with me in a couple weeks using this one as well. So I think I'm just going to use a couple of these leaves and put them on the ends here. So that's what this week's spread looks like. I absolutely love it. If you guys want to see how this turns out at the end of the week, follow me on Instagram. I always post a picture there. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!